Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Vivaldi web browser. So to download it, you will require a web browser. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type Vivaldi Browser space download and hit enter. You'll get this first link, download Vivaldi Browser. Over here, you can see the current version of 7.5. Okay. If you click on this drop down, you can download this web browser for Windows 64-32-bit, ARM as well as Linux distributions and Mac OS. So we are going to download for Windows. I'll select this 64-bit version and it has started downloading the setup file. Once setup is downloaded, we'll click on open. I'll minimize the Chrome. Now this is the default location where this Vivaldi web browser is going to get installed. Click on accept and install. So within seconds it has got installed and you can see welcome screen. Click on continue. To unlock the full potential of Vivaldi, you need to have an account, but it is not compulsory. I'll click on skip. Okay, you can bring your favorites or usage from your previous browser to Vivaldi. Over here, you get an option to select no blocking, block trackers, or block trackers and ads. So I'm going to select this third option. Click on continue. That's how the interface of Vivaldi looks. You can change the theme. Okay, you can switch it to dark theme, paint, soft. I'll select this paint. It looks cool. Okay, now how do you want your tabs on the top, left, okay, bottom, or on the right side? I want to select left. Okay, click on continue. So on the left hand side you can see all your workspace and your tabs. Okay, and click on start browsing. So it is going to start the web browser. You can also download it for the mobile. It is available. Okay, over here they have provided Vivaldi form help pages. In the search bar you can just type google.com, press enter. It will start, and on the right hand side you get different features like bookmark, downloads. Okay, if you click on the downloads, you can check the download section. History, you can look for the history without closing or moving out from this browsing window. You can look at the other features, so it is highly customizable. So reading list is there. Okay, you can open another web window. Okay, multiple tabs, and you can search over here. You can also access Wikipedia in the parallel, so you can manage two windows. Okay, you can do browsing side by side in this. See, you can access this two multiple windows at the same time, and you can add multiple tabs. So I'll close this for now. That's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.